Ngari kwa somo marasigo makeia kama mara metekeria.
Niseme kwa majina
na nĩ ũndũ wa challenge ĩno ĩho nĩ tũgũ extend na mweri ũngĩ ũmwe nĩguo andũ makorwo na kahinda ga kũrĩha license ciao kahora ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire nginya mweri ũyũ ũroka mũico na matikaheo penalties nĩguo tũhote gũteithania.
Yes, we are telling the business people, please, security starts with you. Hire security officers because they are exempted from the curfew, so that crooks don't take advantage that now that you have said everybody go at home, some malicious people might decide to take advantage of that situation. We are also going to intensify patrols in all the villages and all the towns, just to make sure that during the curfew period, everybody remains safe and secure.